Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony ZS-RS60BT Boombox Bluetooth radio and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues where your radio is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it is not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's just any other issues like that where it seems to be not responding, not working right, can very often be fixed with this hard reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set this radio up on a new device, pair it with new devices, and get a fresh start like it just came out of the box, we can just go ahead and have it forget all of its pairing history. It's quite simple. So with the radio turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the erase button right here, and you're just going to press and hold the erase button for several seconds, and you'll see it'll pop up on the screen with a reset. It'll say reset on here. And once it does that, then we can just press the enter button to confirm it, and just let it do its reset. It'll take a few seconds, and when it's done, it will come up and it'll say complete on here. And then your radio has been reset. You can go ahead and set it back up.